Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Peace. In today's video, we'll be making delicious ripe plantain snacks. In our previous video, I showed us how to make unripe plantain snacks, but this one we are making ripe plantain snacks. So if you have not watched how to make unripe plantain snacks, I'll put the link on the description box. Make sure you click on it and watch how to make it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, for the recipe, I'm using butter, half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, powdered milk, and a teaspoon of sugar because the plantain is already sweet. And all-purpose flour, I'm using 2 cups, 2 loaves of plantain. This is ripe plantain, carrots, green pepper, red pepper, and spring onion. So guys, let's get started. The first thing to do, I'll blend my ripe plantain the same way I did the first one, which is on ripe plantain snacks. I'll be blending it on my blender. Then I will go ahead and slice these ones before we mix everything together. So after washing the plantain, I'll slice it. I'll go ahead and add little quantity of water, then I'll cover it up to blend. Then I'll blend it smoothly on this side. So I've sliced the carrot, the spring onion, green pepper, and the red pepper. I've sliced it. So the first thing to do is to sieve in my all-purpose flour. You can see this is why you need to sieve your flour. Now I'll add my sugar and powdered milk, all the dry ingredients. I'll be adding them, baking powder and salt. I'll go ahead and mix it together to combine. Then I'll add my butter. I'll mix it together to combine. Then I'll go ahead and add my blended vegetables. I'll add the carrots, pepper, green pepper, and spring onion. I'll mix everything together. At this point, the snacks is ready for frying. You can see the consistency of the dough is not too thick and it's not too soft. So guys, you can see the oil is at medium heat. I'll go ahead and fry it. So I will leave it until it's golden brown. Then I will go ahead and remove it from the oil. And see, this one is okay. I'll go ahead and remove the ones that are already golden brown. So guys, you can see how it looks. Very, very attractive, yummy and delicious. Make sure you try it out. Can see. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. How do you feel about this recipe? Drop your comment at the comment section and keep watching for more recipes. Bye.